What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the
guys,
video.
we got a 2022 Chevy Camaro SS 6.2 liter. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Really nice car, as you guys can see. 4 converters. I don't know why they put 4 converters on this thing, but they do. So there's 2 here, 2 here. Comes with a factory X-pipe, 3-inch exhaust, factory X-pipe, factory valves there and there. Then we ran 3-inch pipe out the back on each side, there and there. And there was valves here that we zip tied away so they'll stay opening and closing like they're supposed to. They usually come on that gigantic muffler right there on the side of the tips when it goes into sport mode at certain RPM. So as you guys can see, it comes with a giant muffler that we just took off. And then we put quad tips out the back, black stagger tips there and there. Boom, boom. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you guys tell your friends, share for us, because sharing is caring. Chevy Camaro. That sounds so good. Wow, that sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels on it, right? Yeah, 117. Again? Go ahead and back it up. Try to block out the wind, guys. I like the little stripes on the side. Look at that. That's cool. Again? Wow, this sounds so good, guys. Sorry about the wind. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Camaro SS 6.2. Rear muffler delete with quads. Listen to that idle. It's a good sounding idle right there.